to a new episode. We are here and we're gonna straight go and fix the string I got. And then, the swing. What? What do I have to do now? Oh, right, I need to find the board. Or that's... Oh, can I go and look in that box again? Let's see. Do you have what I need?
Nothing else I need in here.
Oh, that's so unfair. Alright. Should we talk to the mama? Let's talk some more to the mama.
Well, hi there, Lee. What can I do for you, sweetie?
Nothing. When will dinner be ready?
It'll be a while still, but it'll be worth it. Trust me.
How is your family home, Lena?
Hold it up since,
All my boys have been my saving grace. They both left their jobs and came home to help out after the attack started happening. I think it was hardest on them. Dan was always more of a mama's boy, but don't tell him I said that.
Alright. This place looks amazing.
job keeping this place up.
There's something fishy about this. And look at her skin, it's so... Or I think it's just me, but what happened to your stuff?
Rest of your staff.
Oh, we've had our share of tragedy here, just like everyone else, I'm sure. Some of our staff took off to find their families since they heard the news. A few down, well, we lost most of the first night those banks showed up here. It was
Right?
If anything comes up that I can help with, feel free to let me know.
well, Lee, I sure appreciate it.
No problem.
No freaking problem. Alright, I guess I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave ya. I'm gonna leave ya. Alright. No, not. I thought I could open the gate.
So what have you found out? Is this looking like a good place to stay?
No.
I'll keep looking around.
All right, keep me posted.
Alright.
What's that?
Generator. You guys come along with gas just in time.
Fine. Oh, I feel flattered.
Don't mess with that, okay? The thing's a little tricky, and I don't want to spend half a day trying to fix it again.
Alright. I guess that's okay. I mean...
Huh?
Huh?
Well, I'm glad you guys decided to help us out. I noticed back at the motel,
I'm not.
folks are pretty well armed. Been stockpiling, huh?
No way.
Anyone tries to fuck with us, they'll regret it.
Well, protecting your people is important, but in my experience, having that many guns around is when people get dangerous.
I'm gonna see what I can do, and then I'm gonna be back, guys. Alright, guys, so I kinda got to fix that perimeter. I told Andy, let's go fix the perimeter, and he was like, alright, go fix it. And now here we are.
How's the place looking? Is it safe enough for us to stay?
It's pretty amazing what they've done with this area. Let's see
No,
what
it's not.
takes
There's
to
something
fix before
fishy
I can't
about
wait
it.
until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
Why the hell did you have to tell him I thought he was a racist? As if tensions weren't high enough.
Sorry, man. It popped out. I mean, you did admit it right to his face.
Yeah, I did. He's a piece of shit.
Piece of shit anyway.
Relax. You're not making things any better, Riley.
Oh, this is disgusting. Ew.
Ugh.
I know. That
Lee,
is
it's
ew.
Come on, let's
Don't
push it off.
touch it. Can I get out that arrow?
Disgusting.
I know. Ooh.
I'm sure there's still a few more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
It's useless without gas.
Gas. We might need food, but the St. John's need gas too.
Not many drivers these days, Lee. We could scrounge up a year's worth of gas, easy. So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have this place tied down pretty well.
We can take this place.
Take this place by force if we have to.
Sheesh, Lee. You sound like Kenny.
There's
Because I
another
am like
I
Kenny,
see it.
you know? I'm Kenny's best friend. I didn't fix that board up and I'm kinda sad about that. I mean,
You never get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
nope.
Christ. Can't stop thinking about dinner.
Just don't.
Would have been nice to get some of those rations. I get hungry too, you know.
Focus on the
Just try to focus
desk.
on the task.
They knew what they were doing, teasing us with food and then giving us chores.
Having a good meal will be worth it.
Come on, I think I see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off of here.
I think we get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea.
Alright.
Little help here, Lee?
No. I won't actually help you. Alright. Let's do it.
Holy fuck! What just happened?
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
What the? Get to the gate. Get down.
Jesus!
Alright.
Who the fuck is that?
No idea. Oh god.
Now what?
With the fence on that gate, it's our only way out.
That's a nice idea. No, we don't. You do.
Blades are stuck in the dirt.
What?
Come on. If we can reach the gate, we can get through this fence and back to the house.
Shit, that hurts.
Nobody fucks with us. That's right.
What happened?
Shit. It's one of the dead we pushed down earlier. Gonna have to move.
If you say so. Nowhere.
How many of those things did we push down?
No, this stupid attraction. No,
Already got one of you.
don't.
We had an agreement. Now you're fucked.
No, we're not. Trust me.
What about all the
Ooh, oh god.
Did you really think you could fuck with us?
No, no. Ooh, that's disgusting.
You okay?
Barely.
Come on. The gate's right there.
Oh god, he's alive without legs. Oh, nice shot right there.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
You lucky sons of bitches. Go ahead and run. We ain't going nowhere.
Fine. I told you there's something fishy about this place.
Lee, what's wrong?
I thought this place was safe.
Holy shit, are you okay? Fucking bandits. They have no right being out here.
Oh, my Lord. What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those bastards in the woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out. God damn, it hurts.
I know it hurts. It's
Mark.
logic.
Oh, my God. What happened?
He got shot with an arrow.
Christ, are you going to be okay?
Yeah,
No.
I'm fine. I should just pull it out.
Oh, no, honey. Come on. Brenda's got you. Come on inside now. We'll have you all sorted out.
Alright.
You must be the best.
What kind of shit is this?
We ran into some people on the way up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning, killed a bunch of our farmhands. We were able to get them to stop by making a deal.
You knew about these people? Food for protection. Not like we had much of a choice, but they did stop hassling us.
Christ, maybe you were right about this place, Lee.
Yeah, I was right.
Maybe it isn't as safe here as we thought.
Look, we're sorry. We never had them screw with us like this. Not since we started giving them food. Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of
No,
bitches
just
get away
go
with this.
You know where
away.
these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are. When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
Bandits? Are you serious? This place isn't safe. We can't stay here.
We can't,
Not
right?
safe. This place is a hell of a lot safer than that motor inn. I think
Seriously,
all of us and our
Kenny?
guns can handle a
Lily's
couple
on
of
my
punks
side
with
and you
bows and arrows.
aren't.
What we need to do is find a way to get our whole group out here to stay. Take this place over if we have to.
Yeah,
Hold
that's
your jets
right.
there, Rambo. These are nice people. Let's not do anything to get us thrown out before we eat.
I'm gonna head out and help Dan deal with these bandits. You guys should try to make friends with Andy and Brenda while I'm gone.
Well, that's easy. I got charm coming out of my ass.
Yeah, that's real charm.
Where's Ben and Carly?
Since Carly and Ben ate some of the food on the way to get us, she volunteered to stay behind and watch the motor inn until we get back.
Seriously, Carly?
Hey, I remember seeing kids in your group, so I went ahead and fixed that swing while you
Oh
Kids
no.
like swings.
A swing. I love swings. Just like at my treehouse. Come on, Doc.
No,
kids go
I
play
want
on
you
the
to
swing,
fix
huh?
that.
Yeah.
Haha, so...
We're looking out for you.
No, that's so mean. I don't even have the rope anymore. Kenny, what's up? What's up, Kenny? What does he do? Alright. Alright guys, I gotta end it here. I'm gonna see you next time.